what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk.
Everyone, hello my beautiful people. Is there one and only the DJ? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Bunga people, today topic now about one video when I just see this Christmas thing. If your head reach am, even though say you don't get money, I beg they thank God though. They thank God for what God don't do for your life, because this life not balance. So what did they happen for this world like seriously really, because some kind things go the happen sometimes to your life. Maybe you be want travel go Nigeria, you not config go, you come they say, hey, oh God, oh why now this that, but every disappointment is a blessing, you know, because see these two couple now we just me now, the thing shocked me, like the thing surprised me, you understand, the thing surprised me. What it me made them so, what it me made them so. Nah, gas. And I know this gas bomb where people they put for house. Very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. If they tell you now, say, this thing is dangerous, more than the year. Just see what it happen now. See what it happen to these two couples. The thing surprised me, like the thing shocked me. Because why I they do this video, we see, I beg. With this bomb where they put for house, more than not they use them big. More than not they use them. Just see the way these two couples now just take me the same day because of this bombula. Maybe they forget to offer before they sleep. You know, they cause them. So I beg, more they make our people I beg. That bombula they dangerous for us. That is why me, I they fear. I know they fear use that thing. I know they fear use that because of that the dangerous way they. Now they fear. Oh, now make you see. I know they use that thing, lie. I know they use them. Just see what it happen now to this two couple now. The way they just take me like that. The way they just take go like that. It is surprise me. Their family now go they expect money from them. Like picking in Europe. See the way the two of they take me. I beg, but I know they put that bumble for house again. No, I even hear say if you put that thing for house, that bumble will do that one where they cook inside safe. Mean not let phone they near there. When they receive call anyhow, not let your phone they near there, because if phone see they dangerous. You understand? Just see the way these two people now just take me the same day. The same day, they just me just like that. I just pity for the family. I pity for them. They are so rest in perfect peace. But they are so rest in peace. What to do? It don't happen. It don't happen. They just made the same day that they buried them the same day. God. I beg now you will they hear this bad news. Oh, now will they hear this kind of bad news. I just feel for that family, really. I feel for them because it's not easy. It's not easy to just lose two people at the same time. At the same time. These bumble are very dangerous. Either the owner they forget to offer. Maybe they just come back in the evening now. Maybe na shorty that they do. Maybe they don't come back and they don't tire. They just say, maybe they just sleep like that. And they take me so. So you when your head reach this Christmas, they happy. Even though money not there, they dance, they happy. This next year go better pass this year. You go better pass this year. What do you know achieve for this year? You go achieve for next year. You understand? Just they dance, they happy, they potpourri. Even though you don't get money, as far as say your head even would reach some you weakness and you see the Christmas, you they happy as everybody they happy. So my dear, just they thank God for your life. They thank God. See the way these two couples now just take me just like that. I just feel for the family really, because you know really they easy. I don't know whether they get children now, because they don't talk about their children. They only talk about the two of them. They don't talk about their children. I just feel for them really. I beg if you not hear any noise, I don't not to just verse, because I know the house I did. I can't do Christmas with my sister, so the children they make noise, you know. But I just make a quick one, you know. I just want to take advice our people. I beg. More when they use that bumble, I beg. More not they forget to offer more. I beg. More than they offer, because this thing the way it take me made this two couple the thing if shocked but the thing pay me well really. The thing pay me because it's not easy to just pay me for somebody to just pay me like that. You understand? It's not easy. It's not easy at all. Eh? The family, you know what they go they pass. Everybody go they happy now. Then go they sad. They go they sad because they think now they cry. They cry. You understand? So I feel for the family really. I really feel for them. I feel for them because it's not easy. So you when they use this bambula, beg. I use God Almighty to beg you. Not forget to offer. Try to they look am. Not forget to offer my beg. Not forget. Because now this forget, now these people forget, now make the payment so. They forget to offer. So my people, I beg. More una not they forget to offer more. Una see wetin happen now. Una see wetin happen to these two couples now. Not be wetin they play not be waiting. They play because this thing first happen that time too. You see, get somebody with this thing first meme. Una no people wait up meme because of this gas bombola. Una no people wait up meme. So many people don't meme well for this thing. So many people don't lost their life because of this bombola. So many people. So I beg, you will be say you get that thing for house now. Please use your HQ. I beg, use your HQ. Not just sleep like that. I beg. Eh? Even last year, not be last year, yeah. Because of Christmas, so some people they sew clothes for inside a store. They forget to off this way that they use. What's they call them? Generator. They can't put the generator for inside their salon. They can't forget to offer. And so they take payment through. So no one will know they dangerous. So you where they work Christmas work New Year work now. Say because say you want work till day break because you get because now people they give close to soul to want do everybody want shine that day. I beg, I use God to beg you. May you not go do what this one do. May you not go do what those people do that time. I beg, not all generators in day break. Very, very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. If you dey outside, if you see good, but say you just dey inside the salon where you for the work. Very, very dangerous. So I beg, and no one will know they dangerous. So my ogbonge people, I beg, if you see this video, share them to all your people. Share them to your community. Share them to people so that may they see them. You hear, I beg. May they see them because this thing where they happen. So this two couple wait me so as they pay me well. They pay me because they really be want to reach this Christmas before, but only God know why. Say wait 12 they take go the same day. So my ogbonge people, now the matter where they ground might be this one. So anything you think about this video, you can leave your comment for the comment section. You can wish them like rest in peace. You understand? So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. Bye everybody. Bye.